Hello everyone, I want to start today's video with a very honest question. Do you ever feel like 24 hours in a day are just not enough? Between attending classes, writing assignments, preparing for exams, and trying to do research, it feels like we are constantly running a race against time. A few years ago, if you wanted to write a research paper, you had to spend days in the library searching through heavy books just to find one definition. But today, the world has changed completely. We are living in the era of artificial intelligence. If you are a student or researcher today, you are not using AI tools, you are walking while the rest of the world is flying. In this video, I am going to give you a complete toolkit. I will explain 8 powerful AI tools that will upgrade your academic life. I will tell you exactly how to use them and more importantly, how to use them ethically so you never get into trouble. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what exactly is AI. Don't worry, it is not a robot that is going to take your degree. Think of AI as a super smart assistant. It's like having a genius friend sitting next to you 24 hours 7, ready to help you think, write, and create. But remember, AI is an assistant, not the master. You are still the boss. Let's start with the tool everyone knows, ChatGPT. But sadly, most students use it the wrong way. They open it and type, write an essay on climate change. Please stop doing that. That is lazy and your professor can easily catch it. Instead, use ChatGPT as your thinking partner. For example, if you are stuck on a project, ask it specifically. Say something like, I am a first year student, act as a research supervisor. Give me 5 unique research topics related to education and technology that are suitable for a beginner. See the difference. Now it gives you ideas, structure, and outlines. You can ask it to simplify difficult concepts, summarize long articles, or even quiz you before an exam. Use it to start your work, not to finish it. Once you have your ideas, you start writing. But we are humans and we make mistakes. Maybe you missed a comma or your sentence sound a bit confusing. This is where Grammarly comes in. Think of Grammarly as your strict English teacher who lives inside your laptop. It doesn't just fix your spelling, it helps you with your tone. In academic writing, you cannot speak casually like you speak to your friends. You need to sound professional. Grammarly suggests better words to make your thesis, assignments, and emails look polished and respectful. Now let's talk about a very serious topic, plagiarism. Copying text directly from Google or a book is an academic crime. You can lose your marks or even fail your subject. But sometimes you read a sentence in a book that is perfect and you want to use that idea. How do you do it? You use Quillbolt. Quillbolt is a paraphrasing tool. You paste the text and it rewrites using different words but keeps the same meaning. This helps you express ideas in your own unique style. However, a small warning, don't trust it blindly. Sometimes it uses very fancy or difficult words that don't fit the context. Always read the sentence after it changes. If it does not sound like you, change it back to your simple language. Now let's move to serious research. We all love Google, but searching on Google takes time. You get thousands of links, ads, and blogs. Meet Perplexity AI and DeepSeek. These tools are game changers for researchers. When you are perplexity a question, it doesn't just give you a link. It reads multiple sources and writes a summary for you. And the best part, it gives citation. It shows you exactly where the information came from. For anyone writing a literature review or a term papers, this saves hours of scrolling. You get verified facts, not just random internet opinions. You have done the writing and the research. Now you have to present it in class. Are you still using those boring white PowerPoint backgrounds? Let's upgrade with Canva AI. Canva has a feature called Magic Design. You simply type your topic, for example, presentation on the history of philosophy, and hit enter. Within a second, it creates a full presentation for you. It picks the images, the fonts, and the layout. You just need to edit the text and add your own points. A good looking presentation instantly boosts your confidence in front of the teacher. If you need the absolute latest information, like something that happened yesterday, standard tools might not know it. For this, use Google Gemini, since it is connected to Google Search in real time. It is perfect for current affairs, latest news, and finding recent data for your projects. Students, before we end this video, I want to share the most important advice. Please listen carefully. These tools are powerful. They are amazing, but they are just tools. They are here to help you, not to replace you. If you let AI write your entire assignments, you might get the marks today, but you will not learn anything. And when you go for a job interview, AI won't be there to answer for you. Your brain is a muscle. If you don't use it, it gets weak. So use AI to save time on boring tasks like formatting or checking spelling. But keep the thinking, the creativity, and the ideas strictly your own. So that was my list of the best AI tools for 2025. I want to know from you, which of these tools are you going to try first? Are you team ChatGPT or team Perplexity? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much.